Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these RGB 2-pack wall sconce here. So this has like a minimalist design. This comes with a remote, a bunch of different colors, is dimmable. And let's see what we got in the package here. Pretty good size ones here. They feature just like that. So pretty long, and these are adjustable to any different pattern you want. So you could make kind of like even like a triangle on the wall if you wanted, and this shines back towards the wall instead of out facing. So that's pretty neat. And this just mounts on the wall with a screw there, and then you screw this base onto the things. And here's the plug-in there. So there's two of these. And it looks like just two power adapters as well. So there is the second one. I think the cord, it's a pretty long cord here. Let's check it out. I always like to show the cord length just so people know what we're dealing with here. Okay, and it's about 6.5 feet there. And then on the cord, it also has some controls there, power button and whatnot. And then it has two plug-ins with that. Goes like there. Comes with a remote, one flash, two flash, a whole bunch of different things on there. You can change the lighting, lock it, flashing, 3 flash, speeds, modes, all kinds of different things, brighter, dimmer. And then we have the manual with little installation screws and stuff like that. And that's all we have. So we can go ahead and put this up and see how it looks. All right, then of course we have the remote as well. So we can turn those off, turn them on, turn the green, red, blue, white. Oh wow, white's pretty cool, makes a nice little background there. And then we have all the different modes here. That mode. Tons of different colors. The breathing mode, you can change the speed so it's faster. Just all kinds of stuff here. That's cool. So really neat lights here, my friends. You can put them on wherever, basically adjust them to how you want, whether you want them straight up or down, or you want them pointing at each other, or make a little, you could actually turn them into a little rectangle if you attach one at the bottom. Just a lot of different aspects. Really cool lighting here, my friends. The RGB lighting is pretty sweet. This remote is actually really good. I don't even have to aim it anywhere, basically specific. And like I can just aim this up at the sky here and it changes for me. So that's really nice. Some remotes on some lights, you have to like point it right at the thing for it to work. So I'm really impressed with this remote as well. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.